Welcome. We're going to evaluate a function with a more complicated input value for it. So we're going to be given that f of x is equal to this polynomial, and we're going to find the f of a binomial. So watch what happens with that. Right? It's going to be f x minus 5 is equal to 3. Well, remember, this is the same as x. So I have to put x minus 5 in place of both of these x's. So I'm going to do exactly that. That's 2x minus 5 and plus 7. Well, now, this is where we are going to look at an issue that people tend to make a mistake with. And a lot of times people make a mistake with it. They make this mistake so many times that I'm going to take this particular problem to explain it and let you hopefully understand and avoid that mistake. Okay, I'm going to start with squaring x minus 5. And most people will do this. They will say that x minus 5 squared is x squared minus or plus 25. It depends. I don't know which one you're doing. But they will say that. And that's wrong. Remember that when you have an exponent of 2, it means multiply the same thing to itself. Do it twice. So instead of doing that, I'm going to do x minus 5 times x minus 5. If you actually do this out, you do x times x, so I get an x squared, and then you do x times negative 5 to get a negative 5x. And then you do negative 5x to get negative 5x, and you multiply the last ones to get 25. But now you have a middle term. You have a negative 10x. So you have x squared minus 10x plus 25. And that is what you are going to put in place of this. So you'll do 3 times, and we'll do 3 times for all of them the next step. And then I'll continue with negative 2x plus 10, because I'm going to do negative 2 times that, and negative 2 times that, and then plus the 7. This is the place that people make mistakes. This is the correct way of doing it. Okay, and I got it from here. Now, that's the way that it should be done. But be careful not to make that mistake. Okay. Avoid this error. Do this instead. There, okay. I have to disappear. Avoid this error. Now we can continue doing the rest of the problem, all right? So I'm going to do 3 times each of these, 3x squared minus 30x plus 75 minus 2x, and then I'll put the 7 and 10 together for 17. And then I'm going to put the x minus 5. And I'm going to see there's only one x squared term. There's 2 of these with the x, so it's negative 32x. I can put those together. Then I can add the 75 and the 17 to make 92. And it looks like that's the result. I can't simplify it any more than that. There's no more operation. There are no more operations to do in there. That would be the correct answer for it. Okay, in fact, I'll raise this green one this time. Yay. Okay. And so that's not really complicated of a thing to do as far as the math goes, but it's mainly this, what you do with that is the key to the whole problem. If you avoid the mistake, you're going to get these right. If you don't avoid the mistake, you won't get right. So please avoid that mistake. Be careful how you square things, because square means multiply it to itself. It's times itself. The two things times itself. And that's why we have to do it this way, x minus 5 times x minus 5. It's not like a distributive property, which is the mistake people try to make. Okay, avoid that, and you're going to be in great shape on this. Thank you for watching and listening.